is Mary from the Gloucester Branch Library of the Gloucester County Library System, and welcome to our STEM is Fun activity. So today we're going to be doing a candy experiment, which I hope you'll have a lot of fun with. The first thing we're going to do is talk about supplies. You're going to need some water, lukewarm is where it's best, a straw, and Skittles or M&Ms, some coffee filters, 4 of them cut into long strips, and a marker. I'm using a Sharpie, you don't have to. So, the first thing we're going to do is use our straw as a pipette to bring up a tiny amount of controlled water. And we're going to put that water on our little plate here. You're going to do as many colors as you would like. I'm going to do 4 colors, but you can do more or less if you'd like. So we've got 4 little tiny puddles, and we're going to take 1 color Skittle of each color and place them on the water. There we go. Now pretty much right away you're going to start to see that color be drawn out of the Skittle. Your water is going to start to become colorful, which is the point of today's experiment. So with our extra Skittles, we're going to move them all to this big plate here and move them all the way around the edge to form a ring. Now, you might like to do a pattern with these. You might like to do rainbows. Anything you'd like. I would recommend not putting the same color next to each other because it doesn't have as fun of an effect. So, after giving our Skittles 2 minutes in the lukewarm water, you'll see that the water has turned beautiful colors. Now here comes the science part. You're going to draw a mark on your coffee filter of where you're going to put the dot. Try to keep it a couple of inches up from the bottom, more towards the center. Just 2 of them that stick together. And then very gently, go ahead and dot that right onto your colorful water. Now, using either a magnet or a little bit of tape, we're just going to go ahead and put this right up here. This is going to be the coolest part of your experiment. You will see that your water doesn't stay in one spot. In fact, it doesn't even just go down. Your water, your colorful water, is going to start to climb up your coffee filters. This is called a capillary action. And every color of your Skittles or M&Ms will have a different amount of reaction. So you might find that purple climbs up the highest, or pink, or blue. Before you try this experiment at home, you could make a hypothesis of which one you think will move the farthest. Now, while we wait for that, I'm going to show you one more cool trick to do with Skittles and capillary action. Take the rest of your warm water, gently pour it into the middle of a plate that you prepared with M&Ms all around the outside. Try to pour right in the middle. You want it to get evenly around. Now, you're going to see pretty quickly the M&Ms are starting to lose their color. But since you have M&Ms all the way around, or Skittles all the way around, those colors are going to bump into each other. And when you're done, you will have an absolutely gorgeous rainbow effect. Alrighty, and I'm back. As you can see, our Skittles made a beautiful rainbow design. You can see how each of the colors stayed separate, but together they have formed this absolutely gorgeous rainbow. And let's check on our experiment behind me here. Let's see how far the pink managed to get right about here. I'm going to mark that with my marker because I think it's hard for you to see. So, right there. Blue, blue did not do very well at all. Blue only got here. we have, this looks like pink did very well indeed, all the way up to there. And our final one here, our green. Green didn't have a great time either. Green's even lower than blue. So what you would do is you would compare these and measure how far each color got. And that will show you which one reacted the best. I hope you have fun with this experiment. It's very pretty, and have a good day.